Hello everyone. I thought this Lego kit was pretty awesome, so I just figured I wanted to do a quick review of it. Now, it is 484 pieces and it's about $22 to $25, and I just think it really is the perfect starter Lego kit. Mainly is because of this yellow box. I know there's not really much to it, but when you start and you get your first one or two or three Legos, you don't really have a nice place to put it. It's just, you kind of have your little cardboard box that you got a little set in, and the pieces end up going everywhere. And of course you can put them in any Tupperware container or somewhere, but this box, it gives a kid a feeling of having their first set, kind of having their own Lego kit. I just think that's really cool. The kids definitely like it. I have way more Legos than this, but it's just that feeling of owning your own set. And as you pile up and you get more and more Legos, you can put them in here, you can bring them with you, you can do whatever you want, and they're just easy to find, obviously easily recognizable. And the fact that you can build all these things at the same exact time, it's pretty decent. 484 pieces, that's a good amount of parts, and the parts are a good assortment. You get many different wheel types and just useful pieces for a starter set. So, of course, there's already a whole bunch of other Legos in here. It's just kind of, the ones that it came with are pretty much mixed with all the other giant, like my other giant box, but it doesn't matter. The whole point is that you get this little box, get the manual, you can build everything here, and it's all simple enough that even a 4-year-old literally can put this stuff together. And I know there are a lot of other little Lego sets that are around 20 to 25 bucks, but they don't come with this package that just makes it feel your own. And I think it makes a huge difference. And that's why I really wanted to review this, is that I know it sounds silly that I like it because of the box, but I always remember when I was a kid, I had many Lego sets, and I would have some sort of random Tupperware container or container that would have all my Legos in. And it's just cool that this could be your first Lego container. And it's also not that small. Like, you could fit a good amount of Legos in this thing. So yeah, if anyone's interested in a kid's first set or one of their first sets, or just a great gift, I highly recommend this Lego set. Just check it out.